Hey, it's Alex with alextucker.ca, reminding you to like this video if you like this video, leave me a comment if you got something to say, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Now let's go. Hey, it's Alex, and this is just a quick video to let you know that the Convertbox lifetime deal is about to go up in price. So if I haven't told you about ConvertBox already, then that's pretty surprising because it's one of my favorite products. I use it every day. It is an advanced pop-up builder / conversion software. You can actually do quite a bit more than build pop-ups with it. You can also do embeds. You can make quiz funnels. You can target users in different ways. There's a ton of functionality built into it. And I'm going to have a link to my review in along with this video, and I'm going to have a link, my affiliate link to the product as well. And I highly recommend, if you have a website or a funnel or anything that you can install a pop-up builder on, and you're not 110% satisfied with your current pop-ups, then I really recommend taking a look at ConvertBox, because this lifetime deal is crazy. It's $395 for the basic version, and you can use it on, I think, 10 websites for that. And then for an extra like $100, you can upgrade to the pro version, which allows you to use it on client websites and a total of 50 websites. So it's one of the highest value lifetime deals I've ever purchased. It's one of my favorite products. Like I said, I use it every day, and it actually paid for itself for me within the first month that I bought it. I basically, when I first started using it, I put one ConvertBox on one blog post that was getting a couple of visits a day and had an affiliate offer on it. And I just put a little pop-up, a little ConvertBox in there that came up and offered the product with a coupon. And that started getting clicks, and it got a couple of sales that month. And it was a high converting, high ticket product. And it paid for my ConvertBox purchase within the first month. So that's the kind of product that it is. It's also pretty easy to promote, and once you own it, you can get into the affiliate program if you want. So there's that. But like I said, the price is rising on November 7th. This is not false scarcity or anything like that. I just got an email from the creator, and I wanted to let everyone know that the ConvertBox lifetime deal is about to raise in price, because it really is a steal right now. And it really is, in my opinion, the best tool out there for website owners. So anyways, if you click on my affiliate link, either from this video or from my blog post, it should take you to a page that looks something like this. You can watch this video, which is great, and then you can get your lifetime account with this button. And like I said, the base, if unless I'm mistaken, the base price is $395 US, and then there's a $95, I think, or $97 upsell to the pro version, which I grabbed because I love my lifetime deals. And anyways, so let's take a quick look at the inside of the platform. So this is my Convertbox Dashboard for my blog. We're looking at an activity snapshot for the last 30 days. So this is the number of times that people have viewed my ConvertBoxes in the last 30 days. This is the number of times people have interacted with my ConvertBoxes in the last 30 days. And I've been getting about one lead a day from my blog, according to this. It's probably a little bit less than that for people that actually went through my double opt-in, because I do use double opt-ins. But that's basically, my blog gets about a lead a day. That's what it's been doing pretty consistently for a while now. And it was way less than that before I started using ConvertBox. Like, I was using a pretty decent WordPress pop-up builder before that, but it was nowhere near as powerful as this. So just to give you a brief demonstration of it, you can make groups within, so like I have multiple websites here, and you can make groups of ConvertBoxes within each website, and then you can make ConvertBoxes within each group. And so I'll just take a look at one that's inactive here. So this is a pop-up that I made that was offering my affiliate marketing guide. This one didn't do very well. What I typically do to test new offers is I put them on, to kind of pop up on a lot of my blog posts. I have like specific targeted offers on, but some of them I don't. So for the ones that I don't have anything specific to offer, I'll just put like a generic offer on them, and that's kind of how I test new things out. And this one wasn't doing very well, which is why I have it turned off. But it's basically just a PDF version of a blog post that I wrote. It's an affiliate marketing strategy guide. But so this is what a ConvertBox looks like. This is exactly what it looks like on the website, as well as what it looks like in the builder. And so I can just easily change this image if I wanted to, or I guess I would have to click on remove image and then set my image, and I'll just set it back to this. And you can adjust forms really easily. So I can go into the form settings, and then I can add a new field if I wanted to, and have all these different types of fields, standard fields, first, last name, phone number, website, but you can also get custom fields. And depending on the autoresponder that you have integrated, you can do different things like with GetResponse, and probably with like ActiveCampaign and most of the more advanced ones, you can add tags and stuff. So it's pretty nice for that. But that's basically just scratching the surface. It has a drag and drop builder. So if I wanted to add another image, I would just drag this in here, and then I could click on that and choose an image for it. If I needed to add some more text, I would just add it in there. Get rid of that. I can move elements around really easily. It's a really, really good interface. Smoother than most website drag and drop builders, to be honest. It's super easy to create A/B tests right here. I would just click on that, and then I can create multiple different variations, and you can add notes to them and specific settings. And then if I go to display, this is where, so you can trigger it based on the time on page, based on how much they scroll the page, based on if they stop doing. So you can, if they stop scrolling and don't do anything, then it'll pop up for a period of no activity. Page abandonment is if someone is, obviously if they're, they go to leave the page, then this one will pop up. And clicking a link on the page, you can actually have link triggered convert boxes, which is one of my favorites because it's not great in most platforms. Like I think Facebook and Bing don't allow you to have normal pop-ups. You can only have click trigger pop-ups if you're running ads to the page. So I use click trigger pop-ups whenever I'm running ads. And then in targeting, you can either show it to all visitors, or you can target specific visitors. And you can add all these different rules. So like you can target people based on how many pages they've viewed, how many sessions they've had. So like whether or not they're a returning visitor. You can target them based on whether they're on a certain email list. You can target them based on whether they're in a certain location. There's just all kinds of targeting options. I mostly don't use these, but I'm sure I will once my website is getting a little bit more traffic. Right now, I'm just at around 50 to 60 visits a day. But once I get up to more like a couple hundred visits a day, I imagine I'll be wanting to segment my traffic a little bit more. And so you can do really cool things with that. Like you can set it up so that if someone visits a bunch of pages on your blog, then they see like a special coupon or something like that, only they get because they viewed all these pages on your blog. Just kind of like rewarding them for viewing a bunch of your content. And you can do a whole bunch of other things like that. And like I said, let's see, I'm going to switch websites here and just open up this quiz funnel. And so this is a quiz funnel that I built, and this was like really easy to do. It's got a ton of steps because it's a 4-question quiz funnel. But I actually kind of did it the hard way because I didn't realize that they had the new options in yet. So I kind of went through and did more work than I needed to do. But basically, it's pretty easy to set up a quiz funnel. And it's just like, so basically they come in here and it says, do you want this email marketing guide? If they click on yes, then it goes to the opt-in form. They have to put in their email to advance. And then it goes to the first question, and basically each question just has 2 options. You could have more than that if you wanted. But I wanted to keep it really simple so that it would have a higher click-through rate. And so then it basically goes to each question, and then it's like, so if they say, let's see, so the first question is, do you have an online business? If they say yes, I'm a business owner, then it goes to have a website. If they say no, I'm not a business owner, then it goes to do you want to start a business? And so, I mean, I just did this in like the most basic way possible, but you can do a lot more complex things than that. Like I've barely even scratched the surface of what you can actually do with ConvertBox. So I know this video has probably gone longer than I meant for it to, because I'm really enthusiastic about this product, and I still have, even though I've owned it for like 6 months, I still have a lot of fun just playing around with it and seeing what it can do, and split testing different things, figuring out what copy is working. And I actually use this to test my ad copy. Like before I invest money in running ads, what I'll do is I'll set up a ConvertBox. Like, let's see, I have one right here. No, it's in this group. Yes, this guy. This is actually ad copy that I have run as ads. And before I ran it as an ad on Facebook, I tested different variations using pop-ups on my website in this ConvertBox. And this is the one, I think, I deleted the other variations. I had variations A, B, and C, and variation B was the best. And so that's the one that I ended up going with primarily on my Facebook ads. So tons of stuff that you can do with ConvertBox. It's a really amazing high value offer. It's really a steal. So if you have a website or a funnel, or especially if you have like multiple websites or funnels, and you want to have like one tool that'll integrate with all of them and have analytics, and it's on a separate platform, it just integrates through a simple line of code or through a really simple WordPress plugin if you're using WordPress. So it's super easy to use, super user friendly, and I can't say enough good things about it. The lifetime deal, the lifetime deal is not ending, but it's about to get significantly more expensive. And right now, it's such a good value thing. I had to share it with you and put this video together, and now I just can't stop talking about it. So anyways, check out the link to my review where you can get more information on what it actually integrates with, which is pretty much everything you would need it to integrate with, and what it does exactly. And check out, click on my affiliate link just to check out this video. It's a 5-minute video. I think the creator put it together himself. And it's a really good educational kind of video that just tells you what it does. And then there's lots of good information on this page as well. Anyways, I am just rambling about this at this point. So that is ConvertBox. I wanted to let you know, because I know a lot of you have websites. This is one of the best conversion tools, if not the best conversion tool out there. And the creators are really dedicated to making it the best, which is why, it's not just a pop-up builder, it's also a quiz funnel builder at this point. You can do quizzes, you can do surveys, you can do pop-ups, you can do embeds, you can do a whole bunch of different stuff. It'll integrate with any kind of website, and I highly recommend giving it a look. So check it out, use the links, and let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to contact me, leave me a comment. If you're on Facebook, shoot me a message. If you're in YouTube, just leave me a comment, or feel free to email me if you want. And I'm probably going to do some more videos on this, because it's kind of exciting that they're raising the price. Kind of exciting that we get some urgency here, and I want to talk about this some more. Obviously, I'm having trouble stopping talking about it. So we're going to end this video, but I will be back soon. I'll catch you later.